everybody, this is BBOY MK. Today I'm here to teach you how to do cricket and JackHammer. It's a simple move with a little bit of technique and you will get it, hopefully. So let's show how it's done. So the first part of how to do cricket and JackHammer is to warm up your hands first and get a perfect turtle. You need a perfect turtle position, which is like this. You will feel free. When you do it, you have to feel free. You have to feel comfortable when you're sitting on your hand. So that's what you need. You need a balance, a perfect balance. For a professional now, so here I'm going to show you. Alright, so here's how it is. First, you go down. So your hands turn them so they can spin you. You turn your hands so you get the spin. Look. You keep your hands like this on the floor, you get the spin. Don't keep it like that or like this. Keep them straight, like this position. You can see the position over here, which can spin you. So when you sit on it, it's gonna spin you while you help. With the other hand, you take the help with a push. This is gonna be a push. So when you do it, you need a push. Here, the part that your hand is blocked, you need to make a jump and a rotation. So when your hand is blocked here, see, you do a jump and rotation. So it will be like this. As you saw. So basically, cricket is going to be a way of easier, a faster. I'm sure I'll take the next level, which is. Alright? So, here is a bonus of how to get a higher speed to cricket, how to make it faster. To make it faster, you need a more push, which is like a faster push, like this. Alright? So now we're going to talk about the JackHammer. So basically, JackHammer is simple, it's a continuous of cricket, what I mentioned, like what I did today, but on one hand. You just need to balance on one hand and jump, rotate, jump on one hand, which is going to be simpler. Like if you have the professional cricket, you can do JackHammer easily. So it's going to be like this. After doing the cricket, just move your hands and go with the flow. Look. You just jump. Every rotation, every lock, give it a jump. Give it a jump. Using your legs, a simple kick. A simple kick from the back. Look, you need to practice the kick. Especially you need to practice the jump and the kick, which will be like this. Alright? So, this is how it's going to be. A JackHammer. Look. We got it? And thank you very much. You need any more information about any moves, subscribe or comment and I'll be here to help you. Thank you so much. Peace out.